Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I'm so glad you could join us today. If you're passionate about machine learning or just curious about how to make your models work better, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a crucial concept in machine learning known as hyperparameter tuning. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's tackle a quick question. What do you think makes a machine learning model truly effective? Is it the data, the algorithms, or perhaps something else? Well, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll see how hyperparameters play a pivotal role in that effectiveness. So, what exactly are hyperparameters? To put it simply, hyperparameters are the settings or configurations that you specify before training your machine learning model. These parameters are not learned from the data, instead, you define them prior to the training process. They can significantly impact how well your model performs. Let's break this down with an example. Imagine you're trying to train a model to predict house prices. You might decide to use a decision tree model. Now, when creating this decision tree, you'll encounter hyperparameters such as max depth, minute sample split, and criterion. Max depth determines how deep the tree can grow. A deeper tree might capture more information, but it could also lead to overfitting, that is, the model learns the training data too well and fails to generalize to new data. Minute sample split defines the minimum number of samples required to split a node. If you set this too low, your model may become overly complex. If you set this too high, it might miss important patterns. Criterion decides how to measure the quality of a split in the tree, typically using metrics like Gini impurity or entropy. Now, if you were to randomly choose these values, you might end up with a model that doesn't perform well at all. That's where hyperparameter tuning comes in. So, how do we tune these hyperparameters? One common approach is grid search. Grid search allows you to specify a set of hyperparameters and their possible values. The algorithm then trains the model using every possible combination of these values, testing them out to see which combination yields the best results. For instance, if you choose to tune the max depth with values of 3, 5, and 10, and the minute sample split with values of 2, 5, and 10, grid search will train models for all 9 combinations. It's thorough, but it can be very time-consuming, especially with larger datasets. Another method is random search, which is often more efficient. Instead of testing every combination, random search randomly selects combinations of hyperparameters. This approach can lead to good results while saving time, especially when dealing with very large parameter spaces. Now, there's also a more advanced method called Bayesian optimization. This technique uses probability to find the most promising hyperparameters by analyzing the performance of previous parameter combinations and making educated guesses about the next best set to try. This can be much more efficient than both grid and random search. To give you a sense of how important hyperparameter tuning can be, let's look at some data. In a study published by the Journal of Machine Learning Research, researchers found that models with tuned hyperparameters outperformed untuned models by up to 30% in accuracy. That's a huge difference that could mean the world in applications like medical diagnostics or financial forecasting. To summarize, hyperparameter tuning is like fine-tuning a musical instrument. Just as the right adjustments can transform a sound, the right hyperparameters can significantly improve your model's performance. Whether you choose grid search, random search, or Bayesian optimization, taking the time to tune your hyperparameters is a step you won't want to skip. So, next time you're working on a machine learning project, remember the power of hyperparameter tuning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. And let us know in the comments below, what hyperparameters have you found the most challenging to tune? We'd love to hear your experiences. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.